Welcome to our Fintech Finance news studio. Thanks for being here. Can you please kick off by introducing yourself and your company?
Yes. Well, first of all, thank you for having me, Leah. It's great to be here. My name's Noah Trugman. I'm Vice President of Sales and Partnerships at Fintech Finance. We are a venture-backed technology company based in Oakland, California, and we've been around for about 4 years.
And can you expand on what you do and how you fit in within the fintech space?
Sure. So Peach is a software company, and we operate just in lending. We are a all-in-one post-origination loan management and servicing platform. So what we do is help on the back end our customers, our lenders who want to launch new innovative lending products, and we handle all of the post-origination management and servicing for those products.
And what does the lending sector look like today? How has it evolved? What are the trends, and how is technology helping to evolve the lending sector?
Yeah, it's a great question. Fundamentally, we see tons of innovation coming from the fintech sector and banks with a little bit of a more legacy footprint and legacy technology racing to catch up with the innovative upstarts who are bringing new products to market and providing digitally native products and services. And we are helping both sides of the market with very flexible, scalable servicing technology.
And what are the latest trends in the lending sector, or what do you think we can expect looking ahead?
Well, lending is very complex. I wouldn't say I'm an expert on every component of the innovation. I think there's a lot happening on the origination and underwriting side. Given that we're a core system and we help our products think through the fundamental product constructs, we see a lot of innovation happening. Number one, over the last several years has been the rise of installment point of sale products. You know them as BNPL, buy now, pay later. But we also see innovation happening with revolving credit in the credit card space. And post-pandemic, tons of innovation for business lending by necessity because so many business lenders were impacted during the COVID recession, and now there's a real rebirth in business lending happening.
And which part of the world are you focusing on right now, but also looking ahead?
Yeah, Peach was built from the ground up as a very flexible, asset-agnostic servicing platform. So the interesting thing is we play in all of these spaces outside of traditional mortgage. So our customers use us for personal unsecured installment lending, for business credit cards, for auto lending, invoice financing. Really, we can handle anything, and therefore we're behind the scenes helping these lenders, innovate and move very quickly as they expand their product portfolios.
And do you feel like businesses in general are really embracing fintech and innovation within this field?
I do. How you go about running your business or your household and your personal finances, you have so many more choices today than you did 5 or 10 years ago. Mobile first, digital first, financial services that are embedded in the products and services that you use, so that access provides new opportunities to also iterate and innovate on the products themselves. And that's what we're seeing.
And we're here at the Fintech Meetup in Las Vegas. What are your thoughts so far, and what have you been hearing at some of the panels? What stands out?
Well, I haven't been to too many panels, it's just day one, but we're talking to customers, we're talking to people in the market who are looking to innovate. It's an interesting dynamic time. We're on the heels of major changes in the US market, given reverberations from recent events with Silicon Valley Bank. So there's a lot of talk of near-term changes and what's happening in the banking sector overall. But behind the scenes, people I think are still heads down, focused on innovating, continuing to evolve their technology, and remaining, competitive in the market.
And with regards to what's happening in the news with Silicon Valley Bank and the banking sector in general, do you feel like this will change the industry? What are your thoughts in general? It's
a great question, but definitely above my pay grade. I am way more familiar with what the financial institutions are doing as part of their long-term strategy to evolve their technology, continue to innovate and adapt their products. And that hasn't been rocked at all. That continues.
Fantastic. And finally, what's next for your company? Any exciting projects that you'd like your customers and future customers to know about?
Yeah, we've really spent the last 4 years rebuilding a core lending platform and an end-to-end servicing technology platform from the ground up that is truly asset agnostic. Our customers are bringing some of the most innovative installment and revolving credit card programs to market. We have asset-based lenders and secured lenders who are finding niches in the market and ways to innovate and find their foothold. We continue to lead with our best-in-class API-first technology platform and really are excited to partner with some of the most innovative, advanced thinking players in the market.
So within the loan financing servicing sector, it can be challenging to innovate. Why is that, and how are you overcoming those challenges?
Yeah, it's a phenomenal question. I think, first of all, the aspect of lending that we support, loan servicing, is often misunderstood. What we're talking about is both the lending core system of record, which is often part of the core banking platform, but is in many cases supported by a third-party loan management system, as well as all of the surrounding technology that needs to integrate into that to help operationalize the servicing, whether it's money movement, customer communications, data and reporting, or compliance. And so one of the challenges is understanding how all of this technology needs to come together and work together, but also to serve many constituents, both people inside the financial institution as well as outside, and not only borrowers, but think about regulators or investors. So fundamentally, you're trying to innovate and you're dealing with a complex piece of software that is, in many cases, misunderstood. That's the work that we do, is help consolidate all of that for our customers to make it easy for them to manage, scale, and innovate.